Good morning, children. Welcome once again to the online classes. This is the last video. Let us continue this chapter, manufacturing industry. So, today's topic is the information technology and electronic industry. So, today we'll be learning about information technology and electronic industry, that is IT and electronic industry. In today's world, we have seen the information technology has improved a lot, and electronic industry too has developed a lot. In covers product from transistor set to television, telephone, cell phone, telephone exchange, telephone exchange radars, computer and other equipment required by the telecommunication and computer industry. So today's world, we can see from very small children till the big people, they are on computer, mobile phones, telephones, and without this, the present age is impossible, or the present work is impossible. Now everything is depending on information technology and electronic industry. This industry had made life easy, luxury, and do the work in less time and in proper time and in very fast the business can be done. Bangalore has emerged as an electronic capital of India. So Bangalore is one of the electronic capital of India. Other hand, center for electronic goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai and Kolkata. Lucknow and Coimbatore are the states emerged as a electronic capital and other important centers. They are other important centers. What are the other important center than Bangalore? That is Mumbai, that is Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore. So these are the some of the important centers. Now software technology. At present there are 46 software technology park in India, in which 30% are women employed. The fastest growing BPO sector, that is business process outsourcing, is the major. So this is what is the full form of BPO sector, that is business process outsourcing, is the most is the major foreign exchange earner for the country. Important IT centers are Bangalore, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune for what software technology. Now, the chapter where it ends, let us see industrial pollution and environmental degradation. So now the point comes, due to industry, we have seen all the benefits due to industry. Now at last, let us see what are industrial pollution, whether industry pollutes our country or our environment. So let us see here. Although industry have contributed significantly to India's economic growth and development, yes, it's sure that India industry has contributed to India's economic growth and development. Their waste product contain airborne particles matter. Basically, industries are responsible for four types of pollution. So, small airborne particles which are present in the matter. Basically, industries are responsible for 4 types of pollution, that is air, water, land and noise. Yes, in the air, in the water, land and the noise. Due to air, whatever the smokes and all we can just see, and waste products and all, that mm, give problem for the people due to air. Water, whatever garbages and all thrown in the water, and due to that the people get or face lot of problem. And noise, due to noise also one of the, it is one of the drawback, or it is one of the means one of the drawback, and which pollutes the surrounding. They are briefly discussed below. Air pollution, you can just see what are things are. Air is polluted. Some chemical things are present in the air which is very harmful for the people. You can just read this and see what all things are present in the air. And in this way industry do pollution due to air. Then water pollution, water is also polluted by the industry, and you can just see discharge into river whatever unwanted things or untreated industry wastes are discharged into river. Due to that sometime it will be oil, or sometime it can be, so it cause what, it cause causing water pollution. Now come thermal pollution. This is occur when hot water from the factories and thermal plants are drained into river and ponds before cooling. Waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear and weapon production facilities cause cancer, birth defect, and discarriages. So these are some of the points due to which thermal pollution affects the people. Noise pollution also, noise pollution is also one of the cause. Noise pollution also one of the cause which give trouble to the people. This type of pollution result in hearing. When more noise is there, the people blood pressure, or they become sick, and it pollutes the area, and it disturbs the people due to noise pollution. Now there is a measurement how to control the environmental degradation. So here it is said that whatever waste are there, it should be recycle waste water into 2 or more successive stages. So what happened, the mean whatever waste are we are getting from the industries and factories, that should be carried and thrown very far, and the rainwater harvesting to meet water requirement. Then treating hot water and industrial waste before releasing them in rivers and ponds. This can be done in 3 phases, that is the primary treatment, secondary treatment and tertiary treatments. Sewages treatment plant under Yamuna Action Plan is located at Faridabad. So this some general points to minimize environmental pollutions are: overdrawing of groundwater reserved by the industries needs to be regular legally. Generation and other machinery should be fit with silencers to reduce their sound. So these are the measures which can control the control of environmental degradation. So thank you. That's all with this video. Now you will be getting the PDF. You can write or note down all the question answers of NCERT and some of the 1 mark question answer. That's all. Thank you.